place value, we're going to be looking at some common misconceptions and a teaching approach to help address these. Let's have a look at the number 7,231. Common misconception number 1. Student reads the number correctly as 7,231. However, when asked to demonstrate the value of the numbers in expanded form, writes 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Or alternatively, they might write 7, 2, 3, 1 and show no link between the numbers. Misconception number 2. When a student is asked to write the numbers they hear, they write each separate number without combining them, producing a series of unjoined numbers, such as 7,231. Common misconception number 3. Student lacks the concept that the value of any digit is a combination of the face value of the digit and the place. For example, when asked what the value of the 7 is in 7,231, the student responds with 7 or 1,000 instead of its actual value of 7,000. We'll now explore some teaching ideas to overcome this.
To overcome these common misconceptions, the effective instruction with and use of place value charts can serve to provide visuals that students often need in order to grasp the learning concepts. Students can insert the numbers related to their maths problems in each appropriate column in order to learn the place value of numbers as well as how to interpret large numbers. We will now show an instructional model that would be of benefit for addressing these misconceptions using the place value chart. If we wanted students to find the value of the 2 in 7,231, we could do the following. First, we'll get them to expand out what 7,231 really is, encouraging students to listen to the words and annotate the number. For example, 7,231. From here, we would encourage students to think about what each of these means, allowing them to break the number up to show 7 thousands, 2 hundreds, 30, or we can think of it as 3 tens, and 1, which we can also think of as 1 ones. After students have explored the value of each number, students would then be encouraged to write the number into the place value chart. So we would have students write 7,230, or 3 tens and 1 ones. So when looking for the value of the 2 in 7,231, students can see that the 2 falls in the hundreds column. Additionally, as an enabling prompt, base 10 blocks could be available as a concrete support for students when learning about place value. Specifically, students could physically put the equivalent amount of base 10 blocks in each of the columns of the place value chart before writing the numerical representation below.